At just 16, Frank Abagnale Jr. pulled off one of history's most audacious con games. For 5 years, this teenager lived as a fake Pan Am pilot. He flew over 250 flights worldwide for free. His method was brilliant. Frank studied pilot manuals, created fake employee badges, exploited the trust-based airline system of the 1960s. But flying wasn't enough. He forged millions in checks across 26 countries, convinced hospitals to let him work as a supervising pediatrician, with zero medical training. The FBI couldn't catch him. Frank escaped custody multiple times. Once, he literally walked out of an airplane bathroom while being extradited. His downfall came from an unexpected source. A flight attendant recognized him in France. After years on the run, his own fake world caught up with him. But here's the twist. After serving his time, Frank became an FBI consultant. He helped design the exact security systems that would have caught his younger self. The ultimate redemption story.